Sichuan, Tengyang Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise headquartered in Sichuan, Sichuan, with branches in Kashgar, Xinjiang, and Shenzhen, Guangdong. It specializes in the production and manufacturing of silicone rubber products and industrial automation equipment. Our company boasts state-of-the-art production facilities covering 5,000 square meters. We operate with 15 advanced production machines, including 6 injection molding machines, 8 laser engraving machines, and 3D printing machines, supported by 90 skilled employees. Our team includes 6 R&D engineers, 4 of them have postgraduate degrees, illustrating our commitment to innovation. We can introduce new products in under 10 days. Additionally, we have 13 dedicated QA, QC inspectors ensuring top-notch quality in all our products. We offer a wide range of customization services, including material, logo, packaging, color, size, and graphic customization, backed by our extensive engineering expertise. With an annual production capacity of thousands of silicone products, we have extensive export experience, serving major clients across North America, Western Europe, and Southern Europe. Our products are available for immediate shipment, and we launch new designs yearly. We guarantee a 12-month warranty for all our products, ensuring customer satisfaction and reliability. Our products are recognized with CE, CPC, EN 71, FCC, and RoHS certifications, validating our commitment to quality and safety. We are proud of our engineers' expertise and our collaboration with leading global brands.